Hi, I'm Russ, and I'm here to give you my top tips on how to navigate a university or higher education fair. The best way to approach these events is to do some research in advance about the courses and universities you're interested in. You'll find a huge amount of information on each university website, and you'll easily be able to order a printed copy or read their prospectus online. Work out a list of universities you really want to speak to and head straight for those on the day. By doing research beforehand, you'll save yourself a lot of time and you'll be able to focus on the institutions that are most important to you. By speaking to the staff on each stand, you'll get a detailed sense of what university is like. This can help you consider whether to make an application or not. Ask those niggling questions about university life you might have. The staff will be more than happy to help you, so don't hold back. Don't be afraid to ask staff as many questions as you need answers to. Some common ones are: how is the course structured? How many modules do you take per year? What personal, academic or financial support is available for students? What accommodation options are there? How many student societies and clubs are available? Location: is it an out-of-town campus uni or one in a town or city centre? And then some general information about the university. There may also be general talks going on throughout the day, which, if you have time to attend, can give you further advice on applications, student finance and other information concerning university life. Hopefully you'll find these events useful in working out your higher education options. Don't forget you can also attend individual university open days to get a stronger idea of the university and what it's actually like to live and study there. Best of luck.